Hello and welcome to another lesson. So in this lesson, we'll take a look at the continue statement. In the previous lesson, we took a look at the break statement that terminates every other condition once that condition is met in your loop. So in this particular lesson, we'll look at the opposite of break, which is continue. So the continue statements keep the current iteration in a loop. And the remaining code in the iteration is skipped and processing moves to the next iteration. So if break statement stops the execution of your loop, the continue statement skip the current iteration and then it continue to process the next iteration, which means that the current iteration that matches the condition set will be skipped. Then it will continue the execution of others. Look at the example here. For let I equals to 1, I less than 10, I plus plus. If I is equal to 3, continue, which means that once it reaches this place, then the execution will continue. Then you can now get the output. So let's take a look at this in our code editor, just as we did for break statement. So I will pull up the editor and then I will just use the last example. And what I'm going to do is I will change this break statement. Don't forget that when I put capital B, I was getting an undefined reference because it's a keyword in JavaScript, and JavaScript did not understand that capital B. So because I wanted to use it as a keyword, I needed to switch it to small letter B. So if I do the same thing here to capital letter C, you will see that everything will disappear. So the way you write the break and continue is in small cap. That is very important. Take note of it. Now, take a look at the output that we are getting. You will notice that at the point where the value of our iteration equals 3, it skips it totally. You will see that 3 is not shown in this result. We have 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 is not shown there. So because the statements have to skip it entirely, and that is why you cannot see 3 in the result. So if you change this value to something else as well, maybe like 5, you will see. Let's take a look. You see that 5 has been removed from our code. So if you change it to something like maybe 9, you will see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 8 will not appear. And that is because the way it works, according to what we have here, is that it skips the current iteration in a loop and process to now move to the next iteration. So that is how continue statement works in JavaScript. Thank you. I'll see you in the next lesson.